Ever wondered how to water your garden like a pro without wasting a drop, or your time? What if I told you there's a secret weapon that delivers water right to your plant's roots, no guesswork needed? Today we're diving into drip irrigation setups. Stick around because this could change your gardening game. I'm breaking down everything you need to know to set up drip irrigation in your garden, step by step, with expert tips you won't find just anywhere. If you're curious about saving water and growing healthier plants, hit that like button, share this with your gardening buddies, and subscribe for more hacks like this. Let's get started. So, what's drip irrigation? It's a system that drips water slowly and directly to your plant's root zones. Think of it like a personal hydration station for every veggie or flower. Unlike sprinklers, it cuts water waste by up to 60%. Yep, science backs that up. Curious why that matters? It saves you money and keeps your garden thriving even in dry spells. Experts say it's perfect for any garden, raised beds, rows, or even pots, flexible and scalable. Let's unpack the toolkit. You'll need a water source, like a faucet or rain barrel. A backflow preventer. This keeps dirty water out of your clean supply. A pressure regulator. Trust me, too much pressure pops those lines. Aim for 25 to 30 psi. Mainline tubing, usually half-inch poly, your water highway. Emitters or drippers. These little guys deliver half to 2 gallons per hour, right where it counts. Connectors and end caps, to link it all up and seal the deal. Test your water pressure first with a cheap gauge. Over 40 psi without a regulator is a recipe for leaks. Here's how to set it up. Plan your layout. Map where your plants are. Curious how close to get? Emitters should sit 6 to 12 inches from stems. Connect to your water source. Attach the backflow preventer, then the pressure regulator, then the main line. Lay the tubing, snake it through your garden, securing with stakes. Add emitters, punch holes with the tool, pop them in near each plant. Test it, turn it on, check for leaks, adjust drippers as needed. Mulch over the tubing after setup. It hides the lines and keeps moisture locked in. Why bother? It's low maintenance. Set a timer and forget it. Plus, it fights weeds by only watering what you want. Curious about the catch? Initial setup takes an hour or two, but it pays off all season long. There you have it, drip irrigation decoded. Your plants will thank you, and so will your water bill. If this helped you out, smash that like button, share it with a friend who's killing their plants with overwatering, and subscribe for more gardening gold. Got questions? Drop them below. I'll see you in the comments. Happy gardening!